JT lead-free reflow soldering equipment can be independently disassembled and assembled through precise and rigorous design, saving more than 75% of maintenance man-hours. The new generation of lead-free reflow soldering equipment readjusts the flow direction of the independent circulating hot air, increases the heat preservation effect of the furnace by 40%, drops the workshop temperature, effectively shields the high temperature in the furnace, and reduces the waste of electricity for customers by more than 10,000 yuan per year. Before leaving the factory, it needs to go through a simulated single board and load test in order to maintain a stable temperature in the furnace under the condition of variable load and maximize the qualified rate of PCB products. The plug-and-play modular design will save 50% of maintenance time in the environmentally friendly design. In addition to reducing exhaust emissions, it also enhances the effect of flux recovery and reduces flux residues in the furnace. When soldering complex PCBs, small chips, large IC components, and even BGA components are all on the same printed circuit board, and it is particularly important to maintain a stable CPK value. Double the output, but reduce the energy consumption by 65%. How did JT do it? In terms of energy saving and emission reduction, we also have a more perfect solution. The dual rail product line cooperates with two independent SMT placement lines to double the output. But the power consumption, exhaust emission, nitrogen consumption and space usage will be reduced, greatly reduced to 65% of the original two equipments.